We classify triangles by angles and by sides. What are the two ways we classify triangles? By what? Angles and then sides. Let's recap angles here. Recap. This is a review if you did this last night. Acute. And then equiangular. I love that word. Schools are just fun to say. Say equiangular. Yeah, it makes you crunch your nose up. Equiangular. It's like impossible to say that without crunching your nose up. All the angles are equal. Okay, I'd like you to put a little star by these three. So, those three triangles have a classification. They're called oblique, which means not a right angle. Versus right, which is not oblique. It's an equality all by itself. Circle it. That right triangle is so important. When you get back from Christmas, you spend almost. No, of course not. Okay, scaling. All right. So with the shoulder. Okay. Okay, so that's how I remember scaling. None of the sides are equal. Notice the hatch marks. No congruent side. Isosceles. Isosceles. The two first S's. Isosceles. Have two congruent sides. Isosceles. Two congruent sides. And then hinge between the congruent sides is the vertex. And of course, equiangular. I'm going to summarize here. If you did the videos last night, this is easy. All righty. Ready? I'd like you to sweep angle 1. Come over here, sweep angle 1. I'd like you to sweep angle 2. Physically sweep angle 2 right there. Let's sweep angle 3. Physically sweep angle 3 there. Those three angles add up to how much? Bingo. As a true, all triangles add up to 180. What I just wrote is your first thing equation. We'll call this thing equation number 1. Right, that's the simplest one. Then we have what's called the exterior angle theorem. You want to write this down. Each angle, each exterior angle is equal to of the remote interior angle. Notice that's plural. Let's write it down this way. Right, EX, exterior angle, equals. That's a really good question. Very reflective. No clue. Welcome to English. Why is it called interior and it looks like it's interior? There's an R, that's an I, folks. Sorry. Okay, and just write angle plus angle and write the word INT. One exterior angle equals 2. Let's do it again. Say exterior. Sums. Interior. One more time. Exterior. Sums. Interior. What that means is the exterior angle to the sum of the two angles that are far away but still inside the triangle. That's the exterior angle there. On that note, let's sweep the 3 exterior angles. 6 is an exterior angle. 7 is an exterior angle. And 8 is an exterior angle. I want you, don't say anything out loud right now. I want you to read this and then put what angle it adds up to. Do this silently right now in the next 20 seconds. Angles 1 and 2, which angle do they add up to? If you did the videos, this should be easy. 2 and 3, etc. 3 and 1, go. You've got 30 seconds. All right. Hannah, what's the first one? 1 and 2 add up to which angle? Okay, let me tell you why it's not, but thanks for trying. Okay, so look, circle 8, is 2 remote or next to? Okay, that's why the angle, that can't be angle A. Do you understand? It has to be far away. Yes. The Emily C, what is it? 1 and 2. Come in, yes. Let's try it. Okay, ready? Take your 2 hands and say remote. Okay, so got it. Angle, face. All righty. Anthony, 2 and 3. Remote exterior to what? Which one? 7. This would be 7. Great. And then coming over here, Avery, 3 and 1. There we be. Okay, go to page 1 of today's lesson. Page 1. Okay, I'm going to use 2 different colors here. We are going to write down 2 thing equations. Right, thing number 1 on the right-hand side. And that is a true statement. The 3 angles of a triangle add up to 180. That's one thing equation. That would work here. It depends on what you mean by substitute, buddy. What do you mean by switch it up? Okay, you can't. Those are 2 different angles, buddy. Okay, but we could do this. What? Okay, ready? Sweep this guy. That's an exterior angle. I'm going to write exterior angle equals to the remote interiors. That would be these two guys, are the remote interiors. Okay, this is our thing equation number 2. So we got 2 setups. Okay, tell me, which one did you check and why? Go. Yeah. All right. All right, guys, watch up here. Look up. We cannot use thing number 1, and the reason is there's nothing there. Okay, so watch how we're setting this up. Circle, plug, chug. Okay, you're circling. It just rhymes, kind of. Chug means do your work. Alrighty, guys. Now, this one, I'm going to cut you loose. Your job, obviously, is to solve for x. Are you done with x? No, not algebra class. You're going to plug your x in and find all possible angles. I want you to work completely by your lonesome. Raise your hand when you think you have found all possible angles, and then I'll tell you if you're correct or not. We could turn the lights back on there.